Hey paper callers, I'm Jordan Soto with Ringba, the premier call tracking platform for paper call marketers. In this video, we're going to look at some best practices for managing paper call campaigns on Google Ads. Use long tail keyword variants. The long tail is where you'll find less competitive variants that will not cost nearly as much as the main 5 to 10 keywords everyone else is bidding on. Use as many separate keyword variants as possible so you can lower your costs and cover more opportunities. For instance, you can take your keyword and add a city, state, or zip code to the beginning or to the end. Implement a negative keywords list. Using a negative keyword list is an absolute must. Negative keyword lists are used to block your keywords from appearing in irrelevant search queries. By preventing your ad from showing on irrelevant searches, you save money on wasted clicks and create more opportunities for it to display on searches that are relevant and could lead to more conversions. Always listen to your call recordings and take note of the things that people ask for that are irrelevant to your campaign. This will help you constantly improve your call quality. Use customized landing pages and dynamic keyword insertion. The key to any successful marketing campaign is to have laser focus on the intent of the consumer and to give them exactly what they need. With Google Ads, a lot of marketers sometimes make the mistake of thinking a general landing page will do the trick. It won't. The best way to stay laser focused on consumer intent is to tailor your landing page results to exactly what the searcher is looking for by using customized pages and dynamic keyword insertion. For example, if you're running a pest control campaign and someone searches for bed bug treatment near me, you're going to get a far better result by taking them to a landing page with images specific to bed bug treatment, and then using dynamic keyword insertion from the search query to then insert new copy into the landing page that's tailored specifically to what they're looking for. Voila! You might have a conversion. This put together creates a sense of authority, builds trust, and provides users with a better customer experience. For Google Ads, it ultimately results in an improved quality score, a lower cost per click, and more conversions. This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per-call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per-call, visit www.ringba.com.